What's going on, YouTube? Quick video to help make money online a little bit faster and easier. If you're doing YouTube videos, just take your cell phone out, shoot a quick video. Don't care about the ups, and don't worry about how it look or sound. Just keep creating videos every day. And today I'm talking about how to rank your videos a little bit higher and faster on YouTube. Now on YouTube, you post a video, you put it in the description, and you put in keywords, okay? And software I'm talking about is tubebuddy. Tubebuddy will help you find keywords, will help you find titles, it will help you find who ranks the best videos, what words you're using, how they have their thumbnail. You create thumbnails in tubebuddy. It's all analytics towards helping you rank your YouTube videos higher in the search engines. Before I had tubebuddy, I was putting in 200 words that I didn't know what people put in. But with tubebuddy, I'm putting in words I never would have thought about. If I did the keto diet, for example, the one word might pop up, the keto diet for beginners in 2018. I would never thought of that, but tubebuddy telling me that's a highly searched term, so I use that as one of my keywords. So if you make YouTube videos, what you should be, you need to get this service, okay? And this program is only $5 a month. It's I don't consider that a bill, because the way I use it, and it's helping me write my videos a little bit better. $5 a month is I don't notice come my it doesn't bother me. It doesn't I don't see it out of my I don't miss my $5 money. tubebuddy is a wonderful tool to use. It's great. If you make YouTube videos, please get tubebuddy. They have a 14-day trial. If you don't believe it, you can just go to your past videos, and it's all integrated to YouTube, so you don't have to go to tubebuddy. When you go to your dashboard on YouTube dashboard, it's already integrated into YouTube. So everything they're telling you comes from YouTube. So it's already integrated into the system. So you don't have to do anything but use it. Just click on find me keywords that people search for, and it'll show you what you rank for. If you get a video on a keyword that you can rank for, it'll tell you, hey, this word here is ranking number 12 on our engines. This word is ranking number 11. So you see where you stand, and that's the best way to get more views on YouTube. So I have a link in the description box below. Get in tubebuddy with my link. It's a free trial to get in. And that's it for this video. Real quick video. Make it short and sweet. tubebuddy is the way to go. I love it. I will never cancel that service. Okay, that's the part. One of the best services I have. Is worth the $5 a month, especially you make videos on a regular basis. It's a wonderful tool to use. So this is Todd for DaxKing.com, and thanks for watching.